Today I'm going to show you how to make a laundry bag in 30 seconds without any sewing. You'll just need a scarf, minimum dimensions 85 by 85 centimetres. Turn the scarf so the wrong side is facing up and then place the washing in the centre of the scarf. Take the opposite corners of the scarf and tie them in a double knot. Tie tightly against the washing. Now take the remaining two corners. These corners will form the strap. Tie these in a double knot. You now have a bag which you can use to carry the washing home. Once you get home, untie the handle knot. Then thread the ends through the knot used to secure the washing. Pull the ends tight. It's now ready to go in the washing machine. The scarf would have untied itself during the wash cycle, so you can now simply take the clothes out of the washing machine. Thanks for watching.